welcome to Flip Through Friday from Freddie and myself. Today I'm going to flip through my little mini glue books so far. Do you know, I can't tell you what a fun week I've had collecting just tiny pictures and images and sticking them in, playing really. Let me pull you closer and let's flip through and maybe create a bit too. Oh, it's just such a perfect size. I was showing you on Monday. It's a little journal from Lynn from Paper Hoarders. It's scrapbook paper and blank paper, and it's stapled, and it's I'm just having so much fun, so relaxing. My favourite things. Freddie says his favourite thing is a walk in the rain. I've got an umbrella here, but of course in Croydon it's just so windy. I don't usually take an umbrella, I just put my hood up. I don't mind getting wet because you can always cosy up when you get home. Oh, let's go inside, shall we? There's a little doggy friend there waiting to greet us. Oh yes, leave your muddy boots in the porch because we've been splashing around in the rain. I notice in my boots in the porch that a little robin has nested. Oh, made a nest. Oh, how amazing. When a red bird appears, a loved one is near. And you were telling me in the comments that you don't, in other countries it's a cardinal, and in Australia it's a willy wagtail, when a willy wagtail appears. I made the nest from little tiny cut up scraps of paper. You know, I've been enjoying doing the fabric, cutting out the fabric pieces. I was at my art therapy and I looked at this pile of little scraps and I thought, oh, let's cut it up like we do the fabric scraps. That'll make a nice nest. I love to sit here wrapped in a blanket, gazing up at the stars on a clear night. Now, bear with me, my lovely Australian friends and people that live in hot climes, because I know some of you are going through a heat wave, so I do apologise. Is it time that Colin, our cuckoo clock, came home from the menders? This page is going to be my seaside page. Oh, I love it. It's there, and I will add more as I go along. Ah, let's slow down a bit, and I'm going to a little sip of tea here. Oh, lovely. Let's see who's peeping in the window. Oh, look. Another one of our little dog friends peeping out there. Oh, see, I haven't even come through and added the gold yet. I've got my paint here, ready to add a light to these candles. Oh, yes, and with the leftover scraps, I put some onto double-sided tape just to make the tiniest scrappy washi tape you can think of. come and sit down on this lovely cosy sofa and rest a while. We'll have a lovely cup of tea and a cake. I think in my glue books I just like to, I choose pictures that make me happy. I've got piles of pictures here. Oh yes, here it is. And I made a folder from Helen's envelope. Here's a paper clip. And I've just put in lots more pictures that please me. Oh, lovely. Painted papers. Sweet papers, that's candy papers. Oh. It's lovely to feel cosy. Maybe if we're feeling a little bit, not feeling cosy, maybe feeling a bit stressed or tired, and we've got a little glue book like this, it just might help us to feel cosy. I call these my comfort journals. For us here, it's always nice to pop our jammies on, have a pajama day, or pop on a woolly jumper. I know for some of you that would be too hot. Or a nice woolly hat. I've created a room here. It's the sewing room, and I'm going to be collecting little bits to go on there. This is washi tape, yeah, here. Pages, blank pages. I'm just sticking little scraps as they come on the desk. Oh, I love this page. These little houses were made by little pickles. Aren't they adorable? If you open the little tiny door. We're visiting Mr. Duck and his friend Penguin today. And little Pickles drew a smiley face on this one. Adorable. Oh, we're visiting little Miss Ladybird here. How lovely. The moon's in the sky. Delicious hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate any time of year. Oh. Give more than you take. I love this picture because it's leading us, and I'm wondering who's inside that house and what's it like inside. And it's right by the sea, or is that a lake? It just looks very peaceful. I'd like to take a chair, a little table out there, maybe with some knitting or sewing. Wouldn't that be relaxing? Plenty of room for doodling on this page. I've been doing little berries. I was just showing this on Monday. Just doodling, really. I just come up like this and join up where this is my shiny red glitter pen, and just join up where those berries are, and I go round there like that. Maybe put a little accent on there as well. Just very simple and yet effective, maybe. I'll draw another little one here. Oh, there's a little teapot house here. Let's open the door. Oh, another little red bird there waiting for us. Oh, and of course a little donut if you fancy a snack. And the rest of the pages, just when I find a little picture that pleases me, I pop them in. Oh, here's the envelope from Jodie Ann. It's got it's purple with lots of gold splashes on. So I thought, oh, that's going to make a nice pocket. There's the middle. That's going to flap open like that. And for the minute, I've just got one tag in there. Got a little teapot. A cup of healing. Oh, that's lovely. Don't hold back. That was on Nikki's running top, I think, or running shoes. She brought me the label. I love it when people bring me things. They save things. Oh, I forgot. There's a little secret pocket somewhere and I forgot. In here, and it says pull, just there. Let's pull it out. Collect moments, not things. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's lovely. A nice little gentle reminders in a glue book. So yeah, just very simple and oh yes, very simple and relaxing. Shall we spend a bit of time face to face? Thank you so much for joining us here. I've still got my cup of tea and I've got a little Scotty dog Scottish shortbread biscuit today. It's quite a mini size. Actually, it looks a good size for Jennifer and Flo, doesn't it? Maybe I'll share. Pop it there. Yeah, do have a bite. Do have a bite. That's it. Pop it on there. What else have you been up to? Oh, I'll pop it down there for a minute. What else have you been up to, Flo? I can see you've been making a page. She's always so busy, isn't she? Oh, I love that, Flo. Let's pop that biscuit up there now. Oh. Oh, it's lovely to spend this time together. Oh, I have enjoyed this. I received another little journal this week from Helen. It's in a lovely felt bag and she's made me a journal and it's all there ready to, it's got some little bits in, mini journal, and it says, oh, I've got some little quotes then. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Don't forget, even if you can only have little house plants around, that's lovely too. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you so much. I love that. I'll pop it in there and I'm going to put that in my basket of projects so it's there for me, no pressure. It's just, if I think, what shall I do? I do leave things on the desk as well, but I pop things in my basket projects so I can just go to the basket and pull things out and see what I like to do that on a certain day. Oh, lovely. Helen also sent me this wonderful little ATC card. Isn't it gorgeous? It's on a playing card and it's cactus. I love that. Yeah, I love that. And Joyce also sent me, you can see it here. Look at this. Crochet, it's a card. Crochet. Isn't that gorgeous? A crochet wreath on a door. And next year I will take that off and put that on the Christmas tree. Oh, Joyce, thank you so much. Absolutely wonderful and a fantastic idea for us too. Maybe some of us are going to have a go at making those. Oh, lovely. Shall we light the candle? Let's do that. Now, when we light the candle, we all approach it in a different way. Just be you be you. And I'm thinking of people at this time of year. It magnifies all our feelings, doesn't it? I've got people written down, and we keep carrying people in our hearts as well, aren't we? Yeah, and take this time for you as well. You're very important. It's really good to have those moments where we just sit still, and if we can manage it, don't worry if you can't. Well, I will say goodbye, and I'll see you soon. Take good care. Mr. Cuckoo Clock making man. Where's Colin?
Come on.
Ready?
Should we go through to the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, I am. This is Steve from the repair shop. Fred's involved. We saw it
that's wet,
inside,
Freddie.
and it's Bello. He's Bellows.
Who bellows?
He's Bellows. Oh,
It's part of
it's from Austria.
Oh wow.
Oh, you're going to open the back up. Oh,
wow.
wow. Oh, there's the Bellows, Nikki.
Yeah. So these here.
Makes the cuckoo noise.
Can I do it at the moment? No, I can't do it because it's all.
I know. Got a tape measure the It's quite the house full of your favourite people, Fred.
Our own like resite. What was it we were just watching?
Yeah, it's the repair shop. Visits Bissington Road. So exciting. And the little cones from the forest.
Wow.
So one's for the clock, making it.
So the one on this side does
Yeah.
the cuckoo.
Oh, okay.
The one on the
Oh,
other side
okay.
does the clock. All right.
Oh, okay.
So.
What's it called? Do you remember this?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're ruining the smoke.
Oh. That's it. Colin's first hour chime in how many years?
Yes, I saw since
Well,
May.
May.
Oh, so since you brought it
Yeah,
to me.
yes,
Who is it?
yeah.
Who is it?
I don't know. Oh,
Yeah, see me.
oh, he's like, yeah, oh, no, oh, he's love. Thank you, Steve. Cup of tea now.
Yeah. Go on.